Hello everyone! Start off by taking some hay and then draw an ovular shape on a circular sheet of paper. Stick tape on this ovular shape and then begin to stick the hay all over the shape. At the top, add the head and then stick on the eyes as well as the beak. Add small little bits of hair. Take the stem of 2 leaves and then tie a knot with it and then make it into the legs. Stick some grass at the bottom. Next, take an orange, cut off the peel in half. Now make slits in this orange peel as such and then make each of the corners into a curve. It should look like a flower. Stick one on top of the other and then on one of the sides add some paper and then add a face to it. At the bottom, draw on the stems and the leaves. Now, at the top, add a small little butterfly. Next, take some leaves and then curve the tops, or rather the part where the stem begins. Take another red color leaf and then add it as the top, the beak and the legs of the chicken. Add the eyes and some other decoration as well. Next, take a seed, then cut it up into half. Using a marker, color the seed in any color that you like. We have chosen the color yellow. Make a small strip of black. Then take some leaves and then stick it on a piece of paper. Add the eyes and then you have yourself a bee. Add some grass at the bottom. You may also add another bee and a heart. Now, take your hand and then trace the shape of it on a piece of paper. Take a green piece of paper, cut out the shape of leaves and then stick them all around the tree. Add a red center to it and then add candy out of clay all around as such. You may add a cute little facial expression as well, like eyes and a small little smile. Stick grass at the bottom. Next, take a leaf. Cut this leaf out into a body and a head and all around it stick some leaves. This will make it look like a peacock. Add the small details at the top of the head as well as the legs and other such things. You may also color each of the leaves in different colors. We have chosen yellow and blue. Add some grass at the bottom. Next, take some tissue paper, fold it over multiple times and then cut it up into a curved edge after this. Using a marker, paint the edges in pink and then open up the sheet of paper, or rather the tissue paper. Now, using some green clay, stick it on a sheet of paper and then insert the tissue papers into it. Add the stems to each of them and also add the leaves as such. At the bottom, draw on a small little bow and then add polka dots all around. Next, take a small brown sheet of paper and then roughly cut it up as such. Stick them all around the bottom and then add polka dots using any sort of marker. Take an orange and red bit of clay and then followed by yellow and green and then spread it all around. At the top of each of them, add a green upper layer that looks like leaves. Spread it out using your fingers and then using a marker, make the small marks on it as such. They will be different fruits and vegetables. You may also add an ant in the side. Now we will be learning how to make a bouquet. Take a tissue paper and then roll it up horizontally multiple times. Now, taking a strip of it after you have cut it, begin to roll it in on itself. Each roll that you make, twist it and then roll it in. This should make it look like a flower. Make multiple of these and then arrange it onto a circular sheet of paper. Then, using some paint, add a small little marker and then spread the paint as such. Using any marker, add leaves to the side and then draw on the stem. Add the bouquet using some tissue paper as well. Now we will be learning how to make this ball of clay. Take some branches from any tree or any plant and then make multiple balls of clay. Stick each of these balls of clay onto the branch that you have taken on the paper. Thank you for watching.